Time to unpack and wash up that chilly weather gear. Oh no! One of the wool sweaters shrank in the wash. Whatever will we do? I know! Let's upcycle it into a fab new cardigan without sewing a stitch.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
For this quick and easy no-sew shrunken sweater saving project, all you need is the sweater, your scissors, and a brooch or a pin. So first, lay your sweater on a flat surface and then just chop on through the center of the top layer of fabric.
Subscribe to my mom's channel, follow her on social media, and buy her ebooks. Yay! Thank you!
Because this sweater was shrunk accidentally in the dryer, it has become felted. And all that means is that the wool has kind of all constricted up onto itself, so when you cut it, it doesn't fray. And you do not need to hem up the edges if you don't want to. And then all you have to do is put the sweater on upside down. Gather what was once the bottom hem and fold it over around your neck, and then just pin it in place. Here, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so you want to grab that chopped up the front sweater and hold it upside down. Then all you're going to do is pop it on just the same way you would any other cardigan. And arrange that once bottom hem comfortably. And there you have it, a rather funky kind of throw-on shrug cardigan that you salvaged from that shrunken sweater. You can also go ahead and add a pin here. And that helps to hold it in place and adds a touch of fanciness as well. So for loads of tips, tricks, and rockin' Refashionista tutorials, head on over to my Confessions of a Refashionista at awesomesaucehattery.com. And as always, while you're there, share your fave tutorials with your online circles. Pick up a couple of my ebooks, and yeah, let's get everyone living a more upcycled, eco-fashion, sustainable lifestyle. And until next time, I'll catch ya on the zigzag.